How do learners in online environments form community and co-construct knowledge? More than just passively consuming information, active learners critique, synthesize, and transform in generating new understandings. With so many different tools to choose from, configuring multiple third-party apps into a course remains a challenge for students and instructors. Our solution? 3 connected apps, developed by a team at UC Berkeley called SuiteC, a versatile and integrated set of tools for curating, collaborating, and creating online. SuiteC includes the asset feed for curating media from across the web and devices and for engaging with and discussing shared learning content. Whiteboards for real-time collaborating with peers, for multimedia composing with unique editor tools, and for interacting with and remixing media from the asset feed. The Engagement Index, for customizing point values of learning activities to motivate student impact and displaying student engagement scores on the leaderboard. What's inside? SuiteC is LTI compliant for integration with the learning management system. It can also be synced with LMS tools such as discussions and assignments. SuiteC follows the IMS Caliper Analytics standard, merging student participation and instructional activity data from both the SuiteC tools and the LMS. This integrated approach means multiple apps working in concert with the LMS, resulting in a generative environment that supports diverse modes of student engagement while providing unprecedented insight into student learning. How can you use SuiteC? Flip your classroom.
Over the last few years, I've noticed that when students come to lecture, they come and sit and they wait for me to deliver information to them. And wow, what a difference these tools, these online tools have made in how my students participate. What I'm most pleased about is the way in which they engage actively with the materials of the course.
Improve your blended learning instruction.
In my blended learning class, the tools help me conduct ongoing assessment of student learning. These insights help me better prepare for in-person discussion sections.
Customize the engagement index to motivate and analyze student participation.
We're able to track in real time how a course is doing and how students are doing in a course, and we can also visualize it in 2 forms. We can visualize it as a list, which is hierarchical and puts the person with the most engagement index on top, but we can also visualize it in a spherical fashion in something like this, how the community of knowledge is expanding.
SuiteC represents a model for institutional collaboration.
This has been such a great partnership between IT teaching and research. We innovated together to generate new insights into learners' behavior, and we built scalable enterprise tools for the campus.
See your LMS in a whole new way.